Alright, so here's the situation. I have been cutting my hair for about a year right now, and it's the same haircut. There's nothing different really about it because it's the only one that I know how to do and I can actually do. So usually when I cut my hair, I start with taking my shirt off, and then for the next 5 minutes I appreciate my 12 pack, and then I start cutting my hair. But for now, um, I decided to keep it on. Not because I'm not confident about my 12 pack, but the mic has to clip in somewhere. There is no mirror because I have to put the camera inside the mirror cabin, if that makes any sense. So I'm just doing this blindly. Let's do it. Oh shit. Alright, so we're gonna start with actually let me start with number 5. Oh boy. I should really look at the mirror. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I don't know if I can do this without looking at the mirror, so let's change the position as soon as I find a place where I can put this on. Alright, so now I switched to camera. Now it's on the toilet. So here's a quick POV. You're taking a shit while I'm going crazy. Okay, now I finally can look at myself in the mirror. To be honest, my hair looks pretty good. When I shave it, nothing changes. The same amount of hair falls, but since the hair is shorter, so I don't really notice it that much. That's why I shave it. At this point, it should be clear that I don't really care how I look in public by the last videos, but there is many reasons why people cut their hair. Personally, I just feel like it. Really, whenever I feel like it, I cut my hair. So that reminds me of a funny story. When I used to work, my hair was really long, but since my friends and the people I work with keep telling me to cut my hair, I really didn't do it, even though it bothered me a lot. Like, it started getting in my eyes, and I don't take care of my hair, by the way. It's just waste of time. So let's do it. Alright, that looks good. Yeah, I'm done. This is what usually I cut my hair. Like for the past year. This is just my normal hairstyle. Please laugh. That was a joke. So over the past 2 years, I stopped taking care of my hair, and well, the reason kind of complicated. It's because I'm lazy. Well, I guess it's not that complicated. Anyway, while I was making this video, I realized something cool that I kinda knew, but I didn't realize it until now. It's how in the movies or TV shows game, they kinda change the character personality by changing their hair or their facial hair. And not gonna lie, it's kind of cool how they do that. It happened in God of War and in Vikings, the main character. And basically it happens everywhere, but these are the only thing I can remember. And basically every time they want to change the character personality, how they show it is just by changing his hair, um, or maybe his look in general. So for example, in Breaking Bad, they give him bald head and a beard, just like all the others. This is like the easiest thing they can do to show the character is changing. Just give him bald head and long beard. But I know that having a beard, it's kind of like, well, at least in the movies, that's how they define having beard. It's kind of like a wisdom and maturity and more understanding. Yeah, these kind of stuff. And I think that's the reason why Joker doesn't have a beard, because this is just go the opposite way from his personality. That's not too short. This is 6. Oh, let's do 5. As a proof for that, in Vikings, the main character, like in first couple seasons, he used to just look for treasure and gold. But as you get closer to the end, he start to value his relationship more than gold. And he even give all his gold to people because he doesn't value them anymore. And about the short hair, this is all like what I know from the movies, not in real life. So the short hair can define as well, if the character starts with long hair and then he cut his short hair, that's kind of like he's looking for a change, or he's looking for redemption or something like that. It can be like he's punishing himself in a way, which is kind of cool to think about. And this is only for like male characters. I honestly have no idea what they do like to progress woman character. Usually they just give them white hair and that's it. But you know what? That's kind of not fair. It's 2020. I think there should be some equality between men and women. So they should give them a long beard and bald head too. And that's what I'm gonna do in my story that I'm writing. All the women on my story, they're all bald. They all have long beard. You know what? I give them longer beard than the male character. Yeah, just good old equality. This cover is really heavy, by the way. Okay, so you made it to the end. Oh wow, I'm surprised. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment if you feel like it. So I'm not really sure where I'm going with these videos, but it's kind of feel good every time I finish one. Yeah, I'll keep trying to do something good in these videos. So thanks for all the support. Well, at least from the people that I'm not forcing them to watch, or from my other 7 accounts that I'm making. Yeah, this is the end of the video and it's ending right now.